Okay, let's answer this problem on probability using Bayesian network. So let me read the problem. Consider the given scenario. A fan is installed in the garden. When the fan is active, so fan means like electric fan. When the fan is active, the soil becomes dry because there's a fan on the garden. When the weather is sunny, so there's a sun, the soil becomes dry also. So it will affect. Okay. So therefore, the soil is affected by the fan. It's also affected by the sun. Okay. When the weather is sunny. So, but that by those sentences, we can already draw our graph. Okay. So we have the entities, our variables here. We have our fan, our soil, and the weather. Okay, so we can now form at least those three. So we will insert our graph. So let me first draw a circle for the three. So let's say this is for the, so no field. This will be for our, let me insert text box. Is there a text box here? Text. Let's say this is our fan. Okay, so this is one variable fan. So let me copy this. We have another one is soil. And another variable is the weather. Okay, so we have these three. So in the problem, it's saying that when the fan is active, the soil becomes dry. Therefore, the fan, if it depends on the value of the fan, the soil will be affected by the fan. So there will be a connection from fan to soil. Okay, so this is our soil variable. So there will be a connection from fan going to soil. Okay, so the soil will be dependent on the fan. So the arrow is coming from the fan going to the soil. Okay, when the fan is active, the soil becomes dry. Also in this statement, when the weather is sunny, the soil also becomes dry. Therefore, the weather also will affect the soil. So this weather will be affecting also our variable soil. So there will be a connection coming from the weather going to the soil. So the soil also is dependent on weather. Okay, now let's continue reading. We're done reading with these two sentences, or the three sentences. Okay, let's continue. The fan usually becomes active 30% of the time, while the chance of having sunny weather is observed to be 40%. Therefore, the fan usually becomes active 30% of the time. This is the probability that the fan is active, or meaning it is switched on. Okay, that is telling us the probability of the fan. When will the fan, how much percentage will the fan is active, how much percentage it is not active. So we will now form the probability for the fan. Okay, so for the probability of the fan, So it will be active 30% of the time. Therefore, 0.3. While, so there in the inactive, it is not active or it is off, it is 0.7. Why is it 0.7? Because the total probability for all the values of a certain variable will be 1. So since it's already 0.3 for active, therefore 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7. Okay, so this is our probability for the fun. Okay, this is for the fun. And then, okay, continuing. So we have here, while the chance of having sunny weather is observed to be 40%. So for the weather, so it is assumed here that it will be sunny or not sunny. Okay, so two values. So let me copy this. So for the weather, this is for the weather. Let me just make it bigger, the font size. Okay, so this is for the weather. Next, the soil becomes dry 85% when the fan is off and the sun is showing. Okay, let's interpret. We will represent this in using probability. So this is now our, this one is what we call the probability for our fan, the CPT. Okay, and this one is the probability for our probability table for our weather. Now we are missing the probability table for the soil. Now, since the soil is affected by two variables, both the fan and the weather, so therefore its probability table will be involving the two variables. So if there are two variables in a truth table or probability table, we will be having 4 rows. Okay, so for the probability of the soil, let me just copy. So for the probability of the soil, it will be dependent on the fan and the weather. Okay. Okay, so probability of the soil now. Okay, the soil will either be dry or not dry. Dry or not dry, or meaning dry and not wet. Wet. Dry or not dry. Sorry. For the fan, it is active, inactive. For the weather, the possible values here will be sunny and not sunny. Okay, the fan can be either, you can call it active, inactive, or on and off. The weather can be sun and without sun. Okay, so the soil will have two possible values, dry and not dry. But it will be dependent on the values of fan and weather. Okay, so but we know that it can be either dry or not dry. So let me just remove this. So since we have two variables here, then there will be four interpretations. So combination of fan and weather, fan can be active or not active. So active, active, or not active. While the weather can be sunny and not sunny, sunny, not sunny. Okay, so these are the combinations now. Active and sunny, active, not sunny, not active, sunny, not active, not sunny. Okay, so continuing with our problem here, the soil becomes dry 85% when the fan is off and the sun is showing. Okay, so here it is giving us the value of the fan and the weather. So fan is off, it means not active. The fan is not active. Sun is showing, meaning the weather is sunny. So not active, sunny, so that means this one, this row. Not active, sunny, it's saying that the soil will become dry 85%. So therefore, the dry value here will be 0.85. Okay, now since it will be dry if the fan is not active and the weather is sunny, 85%. Therefore, the not dry will be we just subtract this from 1, so it will be 0.15. Okay, and then to continue with the next sentence, it is 60% dry when only the fan is active. Okay, so it means the fan is active but the weather is not sunny. Okay, so 60% dry. So fan active, weather not sunny, it's telling us this row. Fan active, weather not sunny, that means 60% dry. So dry is 60% and not dry is 0.4. Okay, so we just subtract this from 1. Okay, the next one, it is 98% dry when it is sunny and the fan is on. So here the values of the variables fan and weather. So sunny, weather is sunny, fan is on. So active and weather is sunny. So active, weather is sunny, it will become dry 98% of the time. Okay, so this one will be 98%, 0.98. Therefore, the dry will be 0.02. Okay, next, the last one. Otherwise, the soil is 1% dry when there is no sun and the fan is off. So meaning not active the fan and no sun, so it will be dry 1%. So here, 1% is 0.01. Therefore, the not dry, it will be 0.99% or 0.99. So this is now the probability table of our soil. Okay, for the soil probability. So this is now the complete Bayesian network. So the network is composing with a graph and its probability table. Okay, now we are not yet done. So what we have done so far is to represent the scenario using the Bayesian network, so the graph, together with its conditional probability tables. So we have answered letter A and letter B already. Now, there is another question here. Calculate the probability that there is no sun, the fan is on, and the soil is dry. Okay, so that's the next one that we need to answer. So how do we represent this question? We have to represent this one first, the question. So in letter C, it is asking for the probability. Let me copy this first. So this is our now we will answer the question. Calculate the probability that there is no sun, the fan is on, and the soil is dry. So probability that there nothing. Okay. So let me just copy first that sentence. So probability that there is no sun. Okay, so probability that there's no sun, meaning the weather is not sunny. Okay, the weather is not sunny. And then the fan is on, so meaning the fan is active. And that the soil is dry, so the soil is dry. So that's what we want to calculate. So it will be the probability that the weather is not sunny. Weather is not dependent, no, of any variable. So it is independent. So probability that weather is not sunny, we multiply it with the probability that the fan is active. So probability that the fan is active, and we multiply with the probability that the soil is dry. Okay, please take note, soil is dependent on fan and weather. So the soil is dry given that the fan is active. So fan is active and the weather is not sunny. Okay, so we have to get those values from the conditional probability table. So the first one, what is the probability that the weather is not sunny? So we can look at the CPT of weather. Okay, this is the CPT or conditional probability table of the variable weather. So the probability that it is not sunny is 0.7, 70%. So that is our value here. Okay, so this one is for the probability that the weather is not sunny. Next, probability that the fan is active. So we will look at the conditional probability table for fan. So here, according to its CPT, the fan will be active 30% of the time. So it's 0.3. So we multiply it with 0.3. And then the next one, so what's the probability that the soil is dry given that the fan is active and the weather is not sunny? So we look at the CPT of soil. Fan is active and the weather is not sunny, this one. Okay, what's the probability that the soil is dry? So we are looking at the column dry. So this one, 60%, so or 0.6. So 0.6. So if we will calculate that, so it will give us, of course, if we will use calculator, so 0.7 multiplied with 0.3 multiplied with 0.6, it will give us 0.126. So the result for this will be 0.126. So this is now the answer to our question here. Calculate the probability that there is no sun, the fan is on, and the sun is dry. So the probability is 12.6%. Okay, so this solves the problem.